Okay, this video is on the V7Pro satellite receiver from SDAdish, and this is how you set up your receiver for scanning and aligning your satellite dish. First of all, you press the menu button on your remote control. As you can see right here in the middle of the screen, the menu. You press menu, aim it at the remote, and you will see this channel, this list right here. We want to go to install, so we're going to press the down arrow here, aim it at the remote. Oops, one too many times. And then see the OK button here, the navigating orange buttons here. It's called the navigating buttons. Press the OK button. Again, aim at the receiver. Notice that the satellite list has been outlined. What I want you to do is, again, go to the center of the remote here where the OK button is. Press OK. And now you will have this screen that pops up for the installation. Notice that right now we do have quality because I am hooked up to my satellite receiver out in the yard, and it's quite a ways away, so there's a long distance between here and that dish. But when you first connect it to your satellite dish, there won't be any quality reading here. You should have between 40 to 60% intensity signal. That's the LNB and the receiver communicating with each other. That you got to have that blue mark there. If you don't have that, this line, then you need to check connectivity between your receiver and your satellite dish. Make sure there's no shorts, no splitters. It needs to be a home run. So when you first connect to the satellite dish, you have a blue bar for intensity, but there won't be any quality. The quality is what you need to achieve. And one of my videos that you will be able to check out will help you with that on SDAdish.com under customer service. So what you want to achieve with a direct connection to the satellite dish is between 78 and 82%, or the highest you can possibly get out of your quality. So that's it. When you're done and you do get quality, all you have to do is press the exit button here on the upper right hand corner of the orange buttons. Press exit once, twice, and it'll take you right to the channels. And you will also see here on the information that it is writing at 65%. That's it.